Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno15 FS and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and go to mobile network. Then let's go to more settings and tap on Private DNS. Here let's mark specified DNS and here enter DNS.adguard.com and tap on save. Thanks to applying this DNS address, your device will limit the advertisements. Now we can go back to the general list of the settings and scroll to find a Google section right here. Then let's tap on all services, scroll down and go to ads. So right here we've got something which is called Advertising ID, and Advertising ID aims to personalize your advertisement. So for example, if you're looking for a specific item, you would like to buy a lamp, for example, then your device will show you this lamp offers different variants of this specific lamp in the advertisements, and this is what Advertising ID is. It is personalization of advertisements, and removing Advertising ID will not limit the amount of advertisements. However, it will remove the personalization, which is also great because we will not be let's say forced to buy something. You know what I mean. So first of all, I highly recommend to tap on Reset Advertising ID and tap on Confirm, and then Delete Advertising ID and tap on Delete. Obviously you had all of the information there. I mean the information I've just told you, so you can check. Another thing which I highly recommend to do to limit the advertisements is to turn off the notifications. And I'm talking about the advertisements that will sometimes pop right here in this notification center. So let's pretend that I'm receiving a lot of notifications with advertisements from Play Store. Of course, you can use it for any other app. Just tap on it and hold it. Tap on More Features and go to App Info. So the middle option. Right here, let's go to Manage Notifications. And here, after scrolling down, you can see that the notifications are divided into different categories. So try to find one that kind of resembles you about the advertisement. So for example, in my case, payments, deals and recommendations. So just find it, tap on it and tap on the switcher to completely turn off this category. Of course, if you don't really need any notifications from this app, you can turn off all of the notifications, which is even better option. And as a last resort, I just wanted to draw attention to the ad blocks. And I know that they are probably an obvious advice for you, most of you, but I just wanted to show you that we do not have only ad blocks for the browsers, which is quite common. So enter the Play Store and here enter ad block. They are not only for the browsers, as I said, for example, here specifically for Samsung Internet, but we've got also different options, for example, like ad blocker for Android, so for the whole system, here the content blocker also. So I just wanted to show you that we've got many other options, and probably you will find the one that will meet your expectations. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.